China became the world's first country to land on the far side of the moon with its Chang'e 4 lander.
Chang'e 4 touched down on the lunar surface that humanity had never explored before.
This historic landing marked a new chapter in space exploration for all of mankind.
China named its moon missions after Chang'e, a goddess from ancient Chinese mythology.
The Chang'e program represents a beautiful blend of culture and cutting-edge technology.
Traditional Chinese stories now inspire modern space exploration missions.
The name Chang'e symbolizes China's respect for its heritage while reaching for the stars.
Chang'e 5 successfully collected lunar soil and rock samples using robotic technology. These samples were automatically returned to Earth without any human intervention.
The automatic sample return mission demonstrated China's advanced space capabilities.
Precious moon rocks now sit in Chinese laboratories for scientific study.
Chinese rovers discovered water molecules on the lunar surface.
The presence of H2O on the moon was confirmed by Chinese scientific instruments.
This water discovery is crucial for future lunar missions and colonization plans.
Lunar water could provide drinking water and rocket fuel for future astronauts.
China is preparing to build a permanent base on the moon by 2030.
The International Lunar Research Station will be humanity's first permanent moon settlement. Russia and other countries will collaborate with China on this ambitious project.
This moon base will serve as a stepping stone for deeper space exploration.
China aims to land its first astronauts on the moon before 2030.
These Chinese astronauts, called Taikonauts, will make history on the lunar surface.
Taikonauts are currently training for the challenges of moon exploration.
The Chinese lunar landing will be the first crewed mission since Apollo 17. Chang'e 4 required a relay satellite to communicate with Earth. The Conquest satellite acts as a communication bridge for the far side missions.
Without this relay satellite, communication with the far side would be impossible.
China solved a problem that had prevented far-side landings for decades.
The Yutu-2 rover has been exploring the moon's far side since 2019.
This rover has traveled farther on the lunar surface than any other vehicle.
Yutu-2 sends back stunning images and valuable scientific data daily.
The rover has discovered unusual materials in lunar craters.
33. China's lunar program began with the Chang'e 1 orbiter in 2007.
34. Each subsequent mission built upon the success of the previous ones.
each subsequent mission built upon the success of the previous ones.
The step-by-step approach ensured safety and technological advancement.
China's methodical strategy has proven highly successful in space exploration.
37. The Chang'e missions cost significantly less than comparable Western programs.
Efficient engineering and planning made these achievements possible on a modest budget.
China developed its own rocket technology for lunar missions.
The Long March rocket series has become increasingly reliable and powerful. The Long March rocket series has become increasingly reliable and powerful.
Lunar samples brought back by Chang'e 5 are younger than Apollo samples.
The step-by-step approach ensured safety and technological advancement.
China's methodical strategy has proven highly successful in space exploration.
The step-by-step approach ensured safety and technological advancement.
China's methodical strategy has proven highly successful in space exploration.
The Chang'e missions cost significantly less than comparable Western programs.
38. Efficient engineering and planning made these achievements possible on a modest budget.
China developed its own rocket technology for lunar missions.
Good evening. We're coming to you from the financial district where the markets closed at a record high for the third straight day. Experts are weighing in on what this means.
Lunar samples brought back by Chang'e 5 are younger than Apollo samples.
42. These rocks provide new insights into the moon's volcanic history.
Scientists worldwide are studying the data shared by Chinese researchers.
International cooperation in lunar science is growing stronger each year.
China plans to establish a research station at the moon's south pole.
The South Pole region contains permanently shadowed craters with ice deposits.
This location offers both resources and scientific opportunities.
Future moon bases may utilize local resources for sustainability.
China is developing new spacesuits specifically for lunar exploration.
Advanced life support systems will protect Taikonauts in the harsh lunar environment.
China achieved a triple success with its first Mars mission, Tianwen-1.
Orbiting, landing, and roving were all accomplished in a single mission.
53. Only NASA had previously achieved such a feat, and it took them multiple missions.
China accomplished in one mission what took other nations decades to achieve.
The Zhurong rover successfully landed on the Martian surface in 2021.
Named after the Chinese god of fire, Zhurong began its exploration journey.
The rover operated for months, sending invaluable data back to Earth.
Zhurong analyzed Martian soil composition and atmospheric conditions.
The rover has discovered definitive evidence of ancient water activity here on Mars. These layered formations.
China selected Utopia Planitia as its Mars landing site. This region once contained water or ice in ancient times.
The flat plains of Utopia Planitia made for a safer landing zone. Ancient riverbeds and geological features tell stories of Mars's watery past.
China plans to return Mars samples to Earth between 2028 and 2030.
This mission may beat America's similar sample return mission.
Martian soil samples will reveal secrets about the red planet's history.
The race to return Mars samples is heating up between space powers.
China built FAST, the world's largest radio telescope, for deep space communication.
This massive telescope can communicate with spacecraft millions of miles away.
An advanced satellite network ensures constant contact with Mars missions.
Deep space communication is critical for mission success and safety.
London. China is developing nuclear-powered rockets for faster space travel.
These revolutionary rockets could reduce Mars travel time from 7 months to just weeks.
Nuclear propulsion represents the future of interplanetary travel.
Faster travel means less radiation exposure for astronauts.
The Tianwen-1 orbiter continues to circle Mars, studying the planet from above.
High-resolution cameras capture detailed images of the Martian surface.
The orbiter serves as a communication relay for the Zhurong rover.
The orbital data confirms the presence of subsurface ice near the equator. This significantly alters our strategic approach for the manned mission landing zone.
China's Mars program demonstrates the nation's growing space capabilities.
The key. Advanced technology and skilled African-American male scientists made these achievements possible.
Zhurong discovered mysterious magnetic field anomalies on Mars. The success of Tianwen-1 exceeded even optimistic expectations.
These findings could help explain how Mars lost its atmosphere.
Understanding Mars' magnetic history is key to understanding its climate change.
International observers praised China's methodical and successful approach.
The rover's instruments detected unusual mineral compositions in rocks.
Today, China shares its comprehensive Mars data openly with the international scientific community.
Collaboration and openness benefit all of humanity's space exploration efforts. The groundbreaking research from the Institute has been published in Nature.
We finally did it! It looks incredible.
Global cooperation accelerates our understanding of the solar system.
93. China is planning crewed missions to Mars in the 2040s.
Taikonauts may one day walk on the red planet's surface.
Extensive preparation and testing will ensure astronaut safety on Mars.
The journey to Mars represents humanity's greatest adventure yet.
China's space achievements inspire millions of young people worldwide.
The next generation of Hispanic male scientists and engineers will continue this exploration.
Space exploration pushes the boundaries of human knowledge and capability.